without much not to just general things. We straight go to the topic because that is what very much important. Not only important, it is the necessity for every human being. Bhagavad Gita for everyday life. This is the topic chosen. So, as you all know, Bhagavad Gita, everybody is aware of it. But mostly people take it only after retirement. It is a post-retirement pastime, it became. But it is actually wrong. It is a full-time awareness of reality. It is a full-time awareness of reality. So, people have no clue what is the essence of Bhagavad Gita. The essence of Bhagavad Gita is a simple terms. I just want to use 2-3 slokas for you to pick up. You don't need entire Bhagavad Gita. Just listen to 2-3 slokas today. You know Bhagavad Gita very well.